Okay, for this part of the METS activities, what you will need to do is to use your Gmail account to contact your media specialist to determine an activity that you can do to help you meet each of the METS goals. The METS goals are the 5 things that you copied and pasted above. So these are things that you indicated that you did not have experience with. And what you're going to do is decide what type of project can I do with research or interviewing someone here at the school or whatever I need to do so that I do know more about the METS that I selected. So what you'll do is look at the 5 that you selected and submitted earlier, and you can go back in to see those just by clicking the goal setting link right here, and you'll be able to see what you submitted. And here are some options for meeting those goals using the METS activities. You could create a PowerPoint presentation. So for example, if you picked the METS standard of distinguishing between fact, opinion, point of view, and inference, you could then research those terms or talk to a teacher or in some way learn the difference among these 4 different terms and use a PowerPoint presentation to provide that information. You could also develop a podcast using a microphone and the free software Audacity. So basically all you have to do is talk about your research that you did. You could develop a web page that explains your information using Google Sites, which is a free website area. You could use screenshots. If you click the link, it will show you what screenshots are, and that might be something that would be useful to meet your METS goal. The program I'm using right now is called Cam Studio, and what I did is use this program to capture what I'm doing and used a headphones with a microphone in order to record myself and uploaded it to YouTube and did a connection that way. You could use a Google document and share Google Docs in order to show that, or other multimedia productions. One of the most important things that you need to know is that you need to be careful not to plagiarize. And so all the information must be your own, not copied and pasted. And also, each activity must have at least 10 sentences of information to receive full credit. So when you go down here, notice there are 5 different areas to submit your METS activities. That is one area for each METS goal. There is also a link to easybib.com to help you cite your sources. So when you do your research, you need to keep track of those sources and use easybib.com to help you properly cite your sources. Once you've completed a project and saved it, you'll click on the activity link, and then you can scroll down and browse for a file. So whatever you decide to attach, and remember you must also click attach file for that to be completed. So if you click attach file, that file is then attached. Scroll down and click submit, and I will receive your assignment in that way.